We're at the Murphy Door Hidden Door Solutions. SHOT Show 2022, Murphy Door Hidden Door Solutions.
Off to the world.
I'm Zach with Murphy Door.
Nice. So what do you got, Zach?
We have hidden doors, door solutions, all kinds of what do you want to hide.
Nice.
And the cool thing is they're actually functional, so you're getting added storage. Show you the, this is our kind of our first one, the bookcase. This handle is just for the show. Usually this would be a hidden thing, but what you're looking at is a fully assembled, painted, stained, pre-hung door. So it comes in the jamb, so you would get your rough openings. Any 2x4 stud would work, and so it was really easy to order. And then you just hang the jamb and pop these pivot pin hinges on. This is our French door version. Outswing.
Wow. I like it.
So everything's functional. Soft close.
I love it. I already have an image at my house of where I'm going to use something like this.
It's usually the way it goes. It's like if we were playing Family Feud, you'd get number one answer is these are cool, and then number two, you see the wheels start turning. Like, where can I put one? So I'll show you the in-swing. These are really cool too.
So this is just looks like a regular bookshelf.
Yep, we want it hidden. So then
that's a regular door size.
exactly, and we do custom sizes as well. So this, again, you would just push. This one opens. The cool thing with the in-swing is getting a lot more pass-through space because this will open 180 in, and then when it trims really nice on the top. So you would get the door and then trim it after. And some other options we will offer are we've got a surface mount. So the surface mount, bifold.
Oh,
Cool. I like it.
wow.
Other cool options like it's our mirror door.
So, I mean, most people would think that this is a mirror and you could go in here. I mean, it doesn't look like you're hiding it.
Well, with the handle being gone.
Oh, I see. If there's no handle,
Yeah. And so what you're doing with this is, I think one of the really good applications for this is a master bedroom, like a closet. So you're adding all this functional space. You know, we're at the SHOT Show now, so we've got our AK-47s.
Nice.
Don't worry, the firing mechanism has been taken out.
Yeah, that makes more sense if it's in a closet.
So here's some cool things we didn't bring to the show, but all the functionality, like you've got a hamper.
Oh, yeah.
You've got the spice rack, which
So other than being a fully functioning door, it's also a storage solution.
exactly. So that's what we've created is that you get like a 2-for-1. You're adding functional space, especially for people that are limited, and nowadays less is more. So that you've even got like a dresser, fully functional. So this one's cool on the mirror door is on the back side. So this is what you could have it with closet rods, shoe racks.
Oh, I like
so you're
it.
adding all that space to your closet. And we have locking mechanisms. We have a mechanical key lock. We have even a mag lock with a biometric finger scanner if you want to get like Batman or
Like a hidden little spot.
Yeah, exactly. So a lot of applications for these.
So on the outsides, they're just more examples of what you have.
Yeah, feel free to cruise around.
If ever somebody wanted to contact you to have these things installed, how would they go about contacting you?
So we have a website, murphydoor.com. We are actually opening up dealer and trade accounts now. So that's what we're trying to do is build an install system nationwide where people can order these and feel comfortable with, hey, I can go to my local lumber yard, finished carpenter, and they can contact us and set up a trade account.
I'm speculating you guys have some sort of contractor network that you guys deal with.
That's what we're building, yes.
Okay, that's what you're
Good
building.
question, yeah.
Okay.
Yep. That's why we come to the shows. We'll be at the International Builder Show too in Orlando coming up. So
I got a question. So like if you're kind of handy, relatively easy for a handyman to do it too?
Good question. Yes.
Yeah.
So we have DIY videos on our website. They come with instructions. So these are something if you have some handy skills. Like I said, it's just like hanging a door.
A door, yes.
If you know how to hang a door, you put that jamb in, hang that, and then you can put the doors on. We have a lot of support with our products as well. So
cool. Thank you. And I guess we can end it with a website.
yeah, murphydoor.com.
Murphydoor.com.
And we actually just came out with beds too, so those are on our website as well. We have the really cool space solutions for that too.
Yeah, I like that. Right on. Cool. Thanks.
Thank
Thank
you.
you guys.
Thank you.